So, we're doing a dance.
Finished.
Oh, he finished? What the? Wow, that looks just like Mr. Duncan's land up there, right? And that was even before 5 minutes, right?
I don't know.
You gonna show it to him? All right. You know, in celebration of this, Mr. Sedgwick will show you his painting. Ready? Turn around. Let's see this painting he's got. That's amazing. I told him just to pretend, and he really did this. I mean, there's paint everywhere. It's like all over the place. Check this out. You guys, this painting is amazing. Watch this. Look at this. Wow. Woo! That was under 5 minutes, right?
Yeah.
That is great. We'll have to get a picture of that later. Okay. So, Mr. Sedgwick, are you willing? Mr. Sedgwick,
Yeah.
listen. We can't hear him unless you. Are you willing to be taped to a wall
And what?
with Mr. Duncan and myself? Which wall, by the way? That makes a difference.
It does.
What? The ceiling? You guys are crazy. That's not a wall. Mr. Duncan, where would that be? Listen. Listen, guys. Hold on. Hey, hey. Listen. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Listen. Mr. Duncan, where would you want to be? Where would you like to be taped? What wall?
Well, it can't be a carpeted wall, obviously. It won't stick. So I would say either up by the front office on a brick wall, possibly. Could be in one of the gyms, maybe, where it's brick. So I don't know. Somewhere where people can walk by us and laugh at us, probably, right?
Okay. Is there a time limit where we have to be on the wall? So is this a competition to see who can stay on the wall longest?
Hey, one thing I want to tell you is, I think I may have mentioned this to you last Victory Assembly, but we have had principals that have done this pass out before. So we got to make sure we do it we got to do some research first. So let me do some research so it's safe, and then we'll let you know when and where. And for sure these two will be taped up, and I'll still think about it, okay? No, I'll do it.
Okay. You know, one thing I learned.
Listen.
One thing I learned with that personal way of mine to be a better artist is a couple things. One, I had to find my own style. Every time I tried to copy somebody else, I just got frustrated and bogged down. It was harder when I did. But when I found my own style and went with it, it worked out much better. I was happy about it. I like the results. So, yeah, my own style, abstract, and messy. But check this out. What is this behind me? That was the obstacle course, guys. We got it. It's awesome.
Perfect. So so we're gonna do the victory lap next, correct? No. Oh no, sorry. We have something else. That thing came up a little early. So listen carefully. I'm gonna turn the time over back to Tia. You don't look like a kindergartner. Oh, is this first grade?
Okay.